Hello. The next question is, discuss the natural resource potentials of Deccan Trap. They are just asking about our Deccan Plateau. Be it Deccan Plateau or any other region. If you want to write about natural resource potential of any region, just close your eyes and just imagine a place. Whichever place in the nature, it will be having many natural resources, many things that you could visualize. Okay, there could be trees, there could be water, there could be minerals, there could be soil, many other things. Okay, just write about it, finish. Okay, the question, since the question is about Deccan Plateau, Deccan Trap, just write a few lines about as an introduction. Okay, it is located in the west central India. That means it's part of western India, it's part of central India, so west central India. It's a large volcanic area created because of the volcanic eruption. Then it is one of the largest volcanic features on the earth. Why it is called Deccan Traps? Trap means it's taken from a Swedish word called trappa. Trappa meaning stairs. We know that this area is made up of basaltic rocks, and these basaltic rocks are arranged as step-like hills. So write such introduction. Anything you can write in that manner. Then when you are writing about the natural resource potential, how to generate points. Just imagine that there was no region called the Deccan Plateau, but suddenly it got created. When it got created of what material? Okay, what was the material out of which it is created? So we know that it is made from basaltic rocks. Okay, basaltic lava erupted from the interior of the earth, then it got solidified into basaltic rocks. So that means the parent material got created. Now, with the passage of time, many things got created with the conversion of this basaltic rock. That is the next point that you have to think by logic. Okay, so from basaltic rock, in that there is a large vast area of basaltic rocks. It got modified and many things got created out of it. Like what all things you could see soil created out of basaltic rock. Then there are underground water resources in that particular area. Then many areas with erosion, deposition and all, many hills got created in different shapes, which could attract tourists. So there was a parent material called basaltic rocks. With the evolution of time in that particular vast area, many things got created. We told about that. Then out of this modified soils or water resources or that particular hill area, what all things we could extract, that's the third dimension. So in that time we could talk about minerals. Okay, mineral resources you can talk about. Then about hydrocarbons which can be present in the underground area. Then you can talk about the research potential, because it is part of the Earth's evolution. So you can talk about the usage of Deccan Plateau in terms of geological studies, like fossil studies, etc. So then you can suitably conclude. So it's easy, right? So you are talking about an introduction about Deccan Plateau region. Then you are generating points in a logical way. First, out of what with material it is created. Okay, basaltic rock. Then with the passage of time, what all things got created in that particular area. Okay, soil. Then water resources or underground water supply kind of thing. Then modification of that particular landscape, so tourist attraction could be made. Then in that modified area, what could be extracted? Okay, minerals, hydrocarbon kind of thing, oil, natural gas, etc. Then apart from all these things, it is having some significance with respect to Earth's geological history, so research, fossil studies, etc. Now let's see some of the points. Okay, first of all, we were talking about basalt rocks. It's a parent thing. So what all revenue could be taken out of this? It can be used as a construction material. We use for road tarring, building construction, etc. Basalt, right? Then stone industries, like it is used for making cobblestones. Cobblestones means what? Like just like we see the interlocking, like that we pave in front of the buildings, houses, etc. Right? See, these are cobblestones, some shaped stones. Then for construction of statues, sculptures, artifacts, etc. These basalt rock could be used. Easy, right? Then soil potential, obviously. The first point is rock, then second point will be soil, right? So black cotton soil, due to the weathering of this particular basalt rock, so it can be used for cotton cultivation. Then this particular black cotton soil supports soybean, cotton, sorghum, PGNP, etc. Okay, so cotton, soybean, sorghum, remember such points. Then groundwater resources, obviously. We told that there is a parent material called basaltic rocks. Then some with the passage of time, many things got created. First is soil. Second is in that area we could see groundwater resources, aquifers. Okay, the aquifer means what? Water storing in the rocks beneath the soil. So that is seen in the basaltic rock layers. Then water supply. Many regions in the Deccan or West Central area depends on this groundwater for domestic and agricultural and industrial uses. Then I told that the third thing, okay, because of the passage of time, many geological phenomena got created which attracts tourists. Okay, we can see that terraced hills, okay, plateaus which will be attracting geologists for researches, and then for tourists. Then heritage sites. Okay, we know that we have our much famous Ellora caves, which is having archaeological and cultural significance. It is located in this particular area. Then so there is a parent thing, basalt rock. Then many things got created in that particular area. Then what all things we can extract from this modified area? Obviously, laterite you can write. Okay, minerals in the under the subheading minerals you can talk about laterite. Laterite is a mineral which is created due to the weathering of basalt rocks. This particular laterite soil is rich in iron and aluminium, so that could be extracted. Then bauxite. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium that is found in this Deccan region due to basalt weathering. Okay, fine. Then apart from the minerals, what all things we could extract? Hydrocarbon reserves. Okay, like beneath the volcanic rocks there might be, you can write, it's a potential, right? So there might be sedimentary basins. Okay, sedimentary basins means what? Where fossils are found. When these fossils or organic matter gets depleted, there will be hydrocarbon reserves, right? So you can write about that hydrocarbon like potential is there in that sedimentary basin beneath the volcanic rock. Okay, that means beneath the volcanic rock, not on the volcanic rock. Okay, then exploration. Like what all things like there can be potential of oil and natural gas, just like we talked about hydrocarbons in the like sedimentary basins beneath the volcanic rocks. We can talk like say that okay, oil and natural gas may be found in that area. When you don't know whether it is there, you can write about maybe, right? Nobody can say it is not there, right? Then research value, definitely it is like part of plate tectonics. This particular area, we know that from the southern hemisphere India traveled towards north and then it got hit in the Eurasian region. We know that thing, right? So it's part of that particular plate tectonics movement this Deccan Traps got created. So it's part of the geological studies as well. That significance is also there. Then paleontological significance. Paleontology means what? Study of fossils kind of thing. So when the India got hit in that particular Eurasian region, there could be many, we have seen about the submergence of Tethys Sea, etc. So huge tons of fossil remains was there, on the top of which this particular Deccan Trap got created. So you can study about the fossilized remains, which will be giving the data about the prehistoric flora and fauna. Okay, before the Earth or during the like formation of the Earth, during the formation of continents, what all like flora and fauna was present in those particular area. Paleontological studies also possible because under the subheading, so geological studies about the plate like tectonics, mass extinction, we will be writing the paleontology about fossilized remains. So conclude suitably by saying that okay, because of the unique geological settings of this particular area, it is having significant natural resource potential and is having geological and ecosystem significance in India. Thank you.